Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G100 and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass in this smartphone. So at the first you have to get the good lighting condition to see a very mess that you have on your screen. In my case everything is fine. Of course I can find here a few pieces of the dust or some kind of the small fingerprints at the edges, but there's not that bad. But of course you have to just get this good lighting condition to see what you have on the screen. And next, you have to open finally the box with the tempered glass. So there's the glass itself. And we can find here the additional tools, these two wipes. So we are going to start with them. We are going to start with the first one, so that's the wet wipe. And we are using these wipes to remove the mess from the screen. But unfortunately, this wipe comes dry, it's not wet. How we can fix it? That's very simple. You can grab something like this window cleaner and apply it a little bit on this wipe. Okay, I just put it too much, but never mind. Let's start with cleaning our screen. Reach corners, edges, and also the middle section of the display. And as you can see, after a few moves, we remove dust, fingerprints, and other greasy marks from the screen. So the next step, we have to open this dry wipe and remove wet cleaning marks. And the same, after a few moves, we easily get rid of them. So what we have to do right now, just finally grab this tempered glass. It looks like that. We have to remove this sticker at the first. And the sticker will comes from the, with a foil. So grab it like that and remove it gently. And there it is. Okay, right now, just hold your glass like that, with your 4 fingers. And be sure that there's everything fine, there's no any dust on the screen. And because when you put like that, the glass, and you will find here the dust, you'll get the air bubbles. Okay, so we are going to start with applying glass for the top section of the screen. So keep holding the bottom part and put this part. Right now, put it correctly for the both edges. In my case, everything is fine. So I'm going to hold with my finger right here, and I'm gonna put correctly the bottom part. Okay, so let me just do this right now. Okay, I think that everything is fine, so I'm going to put the bottom part just like that. And as you can see, it goes automatically. And there it is. Of course, this glass is a little bit too sharp. It's not the original protector for this smartphone, but the installation process looks the same, even if this glass is a little bit longer. So right now, the glass is sticking to the display, but you can spot here this kind of the marks. There are the glue marks that we are going to remove. Just press on your screen with this wipe to remove the glue marks. Okay, after a few moves, we remove marks. If you still got a few of them, they will disappear after a few days, don't worry. Right now, let's turn on the screen. I have to turn on the device because it's turned off. So just long press on the power button. Okay, looks like my phone is out of the battery, so I cannot turn it on. Yeah, unfortunately I cannot turn on this device to show you that everything is fine with the touch interaction, but of course I will show you on the other smartphones. Like here I can find other devices with the tempered glass. As you can see, there we got the tempered glass on the screen, and there's no any problem with the touch interaction. So we don't have to be afraid of applying any kind of the protection on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.